Hello guys, this is Neil Gonzalez. We're going outside and Merry Christmas. It's not Christmas today, but Happy Holidays. We are going outside to see what's going on with the weather. As you can see, it is completely covered with snow. I'm going to show you. See? There's a lot of snow. All this snow, cold front Sandy, now transformed into super cold front typhoon, snowing. Look how deep the snow is. Very cold, very strong storm today. Just gonna walk for a while. Look at it. It's freezing outside. The heater is on. Look, it's so cold outside. It's the storm. See, everything's... And look, here is sleet. And I'm going to show you, this is sleet. All this stuff you see is sleet. Look what it did. It brought sleet during this storm. See, it's very freezing outside. Look, they're getting that ready. And look, it's pushing me. And yeah, this is me, Neil Gonzalez. It is really cold outside. And this super cold front typhoon is very strong, pushing me, bringing winds 60 miles per hour. The upper East Coast is bringing 10 inches of snow. Look at this car, covered with snow, real bad. Very freezing, very horrible storm. Look at Vancouver Park. This is the BRONGS of Vancouver Park. Look at all that snow. Look at me. It's extremely freezing outside. It's hitting my face. Look at this. So freezing outside. Look what happened to this car. It's like out. And I'm gonna go indoors because it's very cold outside. I can't stand this weather anymore. This super cold front typhoon is now stronger. Look, right now it's 8 inches. I'm going to show you how deep is the snow. And look what it did. It pushes all this into me. I'm going home, but I'm going to show you how deep the snow is. See? It's so deep. All that snow. I don't want to really go look. It's really deep snow. And yeah. Oh, it's freezing. Look. Oh my god. I just knew I shouldn't do that. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe more in our videos from Hilda Porgan's Neil Gonzalez. Right now, my cousin is chasing the storm, but not recording it because he already finished the video. So I hope you guys like this video. And bye. And look at all the snow pushing me. Look what it did. So I hope you guys like this video and bye. And Jesus Christ, it's so cold outside.